Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to have hair that's always glowing with life and shine? It's not magic. It might just be the right products. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts on a hair care kit that promises just that. Let's dive into the BioSilk 3-piece Silk Therapy Shampoo, Conditioner, and Serum Kit. These three products come together to provide incredible shine and smoothness. If you're looking for hair that feels soft, looks radiant, and is protected from damage, this may be the routine you've been waiting for. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more honest, expert reviews right here on Beautyistic. All right, let's get into it. BioSilk is a name that's become synonymous with hair care, designed to bring out the natural beauty in your hair. And this kit is no exception. The Silk Therapy Shampoo is formulated to cleanse your hair gently while removing any buildup. It's sulfate-free, so it's perfect for those of you who are cautious about harsh ingredients. The conditioner is designed to give your hair moisture and softness, leaving it feeling smooth without weighing it down. And then, the magic happens with the Silk Therapy leave-in treatment. It's the product that works to repair, protect, and add a stunning shine to your hair. Silk proteins penetrate deeply into each strand, making sure your hair is nourished from root to tip. I've been using this trio for a couple of weeks now, and I've got some real-world insights for you. The shampoo creates a rich lather, but it doesn't strip my hair, which I love. It rinses clean and leaves it feeling fresh. The conditioner is thick but not too heavy. It's moisturizing without feeling greasy. My hair feels silky smooth and tangle-free after use, which is a huge plus. Now, the Silk Therapy Serum is a game changer. Just a small amount on damp or dry hair really brings out the shine. I noticed a noticeable reduction in frizz, and it kept my hair feeling soft all day. However, there's a small downside. The serum, while amazing, can feel a bit heavy if you use too much, especially if you have fine hair. So, less is more with this one. Pros? The scent is subtle but pleasant, and the results are noticeable after just a few uses. Shiny, soft, and smooth hair that feels healthy. These products don't leave any heavy residue, and I've found that my hair holds the shine for much longer than with other products. Plus, they're sulfate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free, which is a huge win in my book. On the flip side, while the products are effective, the price point is higher than drugstore options, so it may not be ideal for everyone on a tight budget. But if you're willing to invest in premium hair care, you'll definitely see the benefits. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it out, the link is in the comments. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable with similar results, products like OGX's Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner could be worth considering. It's budget-friendly, still sulfate-free, and offers moisture and shine, though it's not as deeply nourishing as the BioSilk. Let's talk about value. BioSilk's products are priced on the higher side, but you're getting a top-tier formula with silk proteins that target both damage and dryness. The price feels justified if you're someone who values a more luxurious experience or has specific needs when it comes to hydration and shine. Now, if you're someone who cares about build quality, BioSilk doesn't disappoint. The packaging is sleek and practical. Nothing overly fancy, but it gets the job done. The products themselves last a decent amount of time since you don't need to use much to get great results. So even though the initial investment is a bit higher, these products can last you for a while. To wrap it up, I'd say the BioSilk Silk Therapy Kit is a solid choice if you want hair that's noticeably shinier, smoother, and healthier. It's great for people with dry or frizzy hair who want to restore some of that natural luster. If you have fine or easily weighed down hair, be cautious with the serum and use sparingly. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've used BioSilk before, drop a comment below and let me know what your experience has been like. If you're thinking about trying this out, the link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.